today's video, I'm going to be having the ultimate reset weekend, including everything to do with self-care, post-travel. It's currently 1 minute past 8 and I've decided, as it's literally a Saturday night in, that today I went out to the supermarket, I bought some strawberries, some chocolate, and I'm going to be making some chocolate covered strawberries for me and my sister and all her friends because they're having like a sleepover tonight, and also I just really want some chocolate covered strawberries. So I bought a whole bar of dairy milk chocolate and a whole packet full of strawberries. I think we generally have about 2 boxes of strawberries, and it is now spring, which means fresh batches like all being grown and like all coming back into store now, because now everything's back in season. Also, do you guys like my pajamas? I'm wearing my Victoria's Secret ones with like gold jewelry and I feel like all bougie, you know what I mean? Also started reading my book. I got It Ends With Us today and I've been like starting to read that. I'm literally now in only chapter 2, and this morning I had like a really nice bath and did a face mask, so that was super fun as well. But yeah, so I just decided to start my new book today. As you guys might see later on, I actually read another Colleen Hoover book, so I'll be doing like a little mini book review in this video as well. But yeah, I'm really liking it so far. I think it's all just very deep and I'm an absolute sucker for love stories and like tragedies and all those things when coming to reading. This has been like a heartbreak in itself for me. The previous book I read was actually Ugly Love. But yeah, I'm gonna go make some chocolate covered strawberries and I'll be filming it and hopefully they turn out cute. But yeah, basically I will speak to you guys a little bit later on. Getting ready. I didn't really style my hair today, I kind of let it be natural just because I've been putting so much heat on it at the moment, and then I just did my makeup. I'm about to film a new video. My friends are coming over in literally like 20 minutes. I woke up pretty late this morning just because I felt really tired. We just made bagels. No, but literally guys, like look how cute the bagels look. These look so good. We just took like loads of photos with them and we just made matcha. In my matcha, I just put maple syrup or like honey and then milk, and Kessa's got the same, but she's got cinnamon and extra like honey maple syrup in hers. And our bagels, mine has hummus, cheese and ham, and Kessa's has Philadelphia ham, cheese, that kind of vibe.
You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
Guys, so it is currently 10 past 11. Mary and Kessa came over. That was super fun. We took some photos, we kind of just chilled, we talked a lot, and then we went out. Most impulsive thing ever, to go to the cinema to go see, I think it's called Enchanted with Tom Holland in it. It was pretty good. There was no actual like storyline, which was kind of weird. We went to go see that movie, then we got ice cream, and I just came home now. So today was really fun. It's been quite like a good self-care weekend. I'm very, very excited now to kind of just start my week. To have a whole day at home tomorrow, which would be very, very exciting. I thought I'd just come in this little part of the video and tell you guys a bit about Ugly Love, which is actually the book I was reading before It Ends With Us. Also ignore my hair, it's in like a messy bun. I really like the parallels in it. Low-key a tragedy. I started and finished the book within 24 hours. I'm actually an English lit student and also a history one as well. So all my subjects in my GCSEs all do include analysing text, memorising quotes and things for my subjects. So reading is kind of like a given, and I never used to be a big reader until like this year. I feel like I've really started to really find a lot of interest in it. Out of 10, I'd probably rate the book a 10 out of 10. 5 stars out of 5 stars. Honestly, I was so hooked to it, I couldn't put it down. I'm now reading It Ends With Us, so I will let you guys know in a different video how it goes. But yeah, I thought I'd end the video here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my socials. I'll be linking them down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Have an amazing day, an amazing rest of your week. I love you guys so much. Bye. Damn, sorry I blew you off. I was having lunch with Microsoft.
We should open a bagel shop.